COVID-19 pandemic forces enterprises to ask employees to work from home. What is the safe and the most economic way to allow employees to take office incoming calls from home? When M-office is installed at the office, employees can take office incoming calls via mobile phone Skype for free anytime and anywhere. M-office Plus is a non-contract free forwarding gadget. It has two major applications. Forward mode for office employees or for personal usage. It forwards incoming calls from office or home to mobile phone Skype. Virtual PBX mode for SOHO office or enterprise divisions. Employees can pick up office incoming calls via mobile phone Skype wherever they are. No need to install traditional PBX. With M-office installed in the laptop or stick PC in office, an employee's mobile phone becomes a mobile extension. M-office will forward office incoming calls to employees' mobile phone Skype for free. No more worries about missing office incoming calls when employees are traveling or roaming in the big office. Having troubles finding some employees since they might be away from office, traveling abroad, or being remote employees? M-office can help you to reach such employees easily. For those employees, office colleagues can simply dial the employee's extension number to reach them via M-office's free call forward function. Do you need to set up a new SOHO office or an office with lots of mobile workers? M-office can serve as a virtual PBX to save expensive PBX equipment and installation fee. With just a few steps, you can easily set up the extension table. After the office subscribes a carrier landline, M-office IVR system will ask the landline callers to dial the extension number.
Welcome your calling. Please dial extension number or dial 9 for help.
And this call will be forwarded to the assigned employee's mobile phone Skype. Either in forward mode or PBX mode, you can enable the incoming Skype calls for any landline calls function to make free Skype calls to the M-office Skype account for calling domestic customers via office landline while you are abroad. If the customers didn't pick up your call in time, they can return the call by the caller ID, and M-office will automatically forward this call to you abroad for free. Regintech 2020 new product, M-office Plus. For more information, please visit our website or follow our Facebook fan page for special offers. You can also add our Skype support account, Regin.Skype, for free contact. Thank you.